An actor at the center of a libel instance comprising artist Geoffrey Rush says he intentionally affected her chest on phase, outgoing her sense scared. Eryn Jean Norvill said in Australia trial how Mr. Rush had as well done groping gestures to her for the manufacture of Tsar Lira in 2015. He is suing a Sydney paper above stories published in 2017 that he says represented him as a distort. The Everyday Telegraph Devices unique paper transferred the title Tsar Sly and informed how Mr. Rush, 67, had been the object of a appeal on his behavior for the Sydney theatre business manufacture. On Tuesday, Ms. Norvill, who played Cordelia in the act, testified in Sydney's Fed trial as an eyewitness for the paper's editor, National News Story. She charged the Oscar victor of improperly moving the party of her chest for a view productivity, in a stage in that he transferred Cordelia's flesh. It couldn't include bin and crash since it was sluggish and pressured, she said. The trial, addition, how she had thick felt captured. Ms. Norvill was not mentioned in the paper's accountable. Her evidence on Tuesday is the at first period she has speak openly on the concoction. Talk in trial, the actor told how Mr. Rush's behavior for rehearsals had done her sense inconvenient. The turned on him supposedly manufacturing comments on her flesh, lick his labia, and expressive her how she looked delicious and delicious, Ms. Norvill told. The actor testified how she had thick felt confused and ashamed, and unwilling to say of. I was at the lower of the step. He was at the upper. His force was frightening, she told. Mr. Rush has furiously discarded any concoction of inadequate behavior. Recent 1 week, he said the trial how he and Ms. Norvill had enjoyed a really sparky, akin understanding. He had produced for the stage in that he transferred Ms. Norvill through the phase by imagining his own child had died, the artist testified. Mr. Rush is suing National News Story, belonging by News Story Corporation Australia, and reporter Jonathan Moran. He is searching amplified damages, disputing the articles considerably corrupt his repute. The editor is permanent by the stories. The test is anticipated to run for else 2 weeks.